Okay, so I found 3 of these wooden eggs from Family Dollar. And I started by cutting the jute from the top, and I gave them all a coat of Higgins Lake from Wise Owl paint. Paint products can be found at our webpage, chalkitupfancy.com. And once those were covered and dry, I took some Antique Villa and a small art brush, and I just gave the 2 stripes on each egg a coat of paint. Then grabbing some goldenrod, I just brushed over the flowers. Then I found this bunny from Michael's for about $12, and I gave it a coat of cashmere. I set that aside to dry, and using some black and these small adhesive stencils, I went back to my eggs, and using a foam dabber and a small amount of paint, I put a word on each egg in the top stripe. I got these stencils from Michael's, and once I had all my letters done, and you put the eggs together, it says, "He is risen." Taking some jute, I strung it through the top hole on each egg to make it look like a banner. And then I laid each egg onto the bottom of my bunny, and I adhered it with some hot glue. And then I glued my jute down, and I flipped it over and tied a knot. And you can certainly paint the back of this to make it look finished. And then I moved to the face of my bunny, and I had grabbed these napkins from Christmas Tree Shop. I took my pinking shears and I cut across the napkin between the ears and the eyebrows. And then I cut each ear out. And now you want to remove the layers of the napkins. These are called plies. And using some matte varnish from Wise Owl paint and a small Gen foam brush, I started by applying some varnish to one ear. Then I took my first cutout, laid it down, and then you're going to apply varnish on top of that. Then laying some saran wrap and rubbing over it will help get any wrinkles or bubbles out. And I repeated this on the second ear. I then took more varnish and covered the bunny's face and laid the next napkin on top. And you want to apply varnish on top of that, and then you want to take your saran wrap and just rub on top, and this will help get any wrinkles out. And you want to set that aside to dry. Then I found a 12-pack of these wooden glasses from Michael's, and I painted mine with the goldenrod. Now you could paint them any color you want. And once my varnish was dry, I took some sandpaper and I just removed the excess napkin. I had some pink lace ribbon that I cut a section off and then cut that in half to make a little collar on the neck of my bunny. I applied some varnish to adhere the lace, and then I glued down the glasses. And now you can varnish the whole entire bunny to finish it off. And there you go. Now you have this cute Easter bunny decor. There's one with the glasses and one without the glasses. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Other tutorials can be found on our YouTube, and sprinkle if you like it. Thank you.